Self-driving vehicles are the future of the automotive industry, with some of the world's biggest manufacturers investing millions into autonomous technology. While we're a few years away from autonomous vehicles dominating our streets, it's clear the technology is here to stay, with many brands trialling the tech on roads around the world. There are 6 levels of vehicle automation that we've explored in a previous video. But for now, let's look at the different types of autonomous vehicles available. These include taxi and ride-sharing vehicles, transportation vehicles, and passenger cars. Taxi and ride-sharing vehicles. Many of the world's biggest taxi brands, including Uber, Lyft, and more, have already started to invest heavily in autonomous technology. The long-term goal is to replace human drivers with fully driverless vehicles, and some parts of the world have already begun testing this. In Phoenix, Arizona, the subsidiary of Google, Waymo, has started operating rider-only cabs, where customers can order a taxi via an app that will turn up without a driver. It's only operating in a small area of the city, but it's looking to expand in the future. Transportation vehicles. Transportation companies are set to introduce autonomous tech into both small and large vehicles. The US Department of Energy is leading the way in this area with a focus on platooning technology. Platooning involves having one human driver at the start of a convoy, with all other vehicles in the queue being fully autonomous. The technology tracks each vehicle in the chain and allows them to follow one another. While platooning is predominantly aimed at large-scale and long-haul transportation, automation is also being trialled on a smaller scale, food delivery and postal services being 2 examples of this. Passenger cars. The ultimate goal of self-driving cars is for the technology to be available in all passenger vehicles. We're many years away from this becoming a reality, but the end goal could see people reading, watching TV, sending emails, and even sleeping in their vehicles while they're being transported from A to B. At the Windscreen Company, no matter what kind of vehicle you drive, we're here to help. Our team of expert technicians can provide leading windscreen repair and replacement services to customers throughout the South East and West Midlands. Get in touch with our team today to find out more.